Does your sewing line always come out crooked no matter how hard you try? Don't worry, sewing straight is a skill you can learn. In this video, I'll show you simple tips to help you sew straight lines easily, even if you're a complete beginner. So number one is, before you start sewing anything, make sure your sewing machine is threaded correctly. Your needle is new, and always use the right needles for the right project. And also check if your presser foot is down, and always test on scrap fabric first before you go to the main fabric. Number two, these lines on your sewing machine are your best friend. Instead of watching the needle, watch the edge of your fabric and keep it aligned with one guideline. So the third point is to slow down. Sewing too fast makes your line crooked, especially if you are a beginner. So I recommend you go slow and the speed comes later. Point number 5 is to keep your eyes forward. Focus on the guideline ahead and not the needle going up and down. So my last point, which is point number 7, is to practice with paper first. A great beginner trick is sewing straight lines on paper. This trains your hand without worrying about threads, because you're not going to use thread, or you're not going to thread your sewing machine. So a great paper to use is the one with lines, like the one I'm showing you here. You don't have to make the lines yourself. The lines are already made. So this is also a great one to try your hands on. If this video helped you, subscribe for more beginner-friendly sewing tutorials. Let me know in the comment section if sewing straight lines has been difficult for you.